How to add Sol in Phantom wallet from Binance. After you open up now your Phantom wallet like this now, go and tap on this receipt button. Now go and copy the Sol wallet address. Here is Solana. After you copy the Solana wallet address like this, now close the Solana and go to Binance. After you open your Binance app like this now, all you have to do, you can tap on this option, asset button. So from this asset, now go ahead and search, tap on this withdraw, go to withdraw again. So from this withdraw section, go and search for the Solana you want to send. I will search for Sol. Just search for Sol like this, S-O-L. So it will give you, here is it now, Solana. So tap on this. After you select the Solana, go to send via crypto network. So from this option now, it will ask you to paste in the address in this option. Long press your hand and paste in the address. And here is the network, Solana. So now specify the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal from Binance is 0.1. So I will specify, let's say 0.5. So from there now, if I tap on this withdraw button, now the Solana will be sent into my Phantom wallet. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.